Hello, and a very warm welcome to the News in Flash column presented to you by LawSikho. I am Anupam Bhaduri here, and now let's proceed into the News in Flash for 2nd December 2021. First off, we have the India ITU Joint Cyber Drill 2021. The International Telecommunication Union and the Department of Telecommunications operating under the Ministry of Communications conducting a joint cyber drill 2021. The cyber drill was conducted for the critical network infrastructure operators of India. The critical network infrastructure are the systems, assets, and networks that are essential to ensure the security of a country. The drill emphasized the role of Computer Security Incident Response Team and Computer Incident and Response Team. The CIRT is responsible for handling security breaches. Next up, we have India joins G20's Troika. India on Wednesday joined the G20 Troika. With this move, India has started the procedure for taking over the G20 presidency next year. Troika refers to the top grouping within the G20 that consists of the current, previous, and incoming presidencies Indonesia, Italy, and India. India will assume the G20 presidency on December 1st, 2022 from Indonesia and will convene the G20 Leaders Summit for the first time in India in 2023. Next year's summit will be organized along the overall theme of Recover Together, Recover Stronger. The G20 Leaders Summit scheduled for October 30 to 31st, 2022. Next up, we have Gujarat displaces Maharashtra to become largest manufacturing hub in the country. Gujarat has piped Maharashtra to emerge as the largest manufacturing hub in the country, with the former's gross value addition in manufacturing growing 15.9% annually on average between financial year 12 and financial year 20 to touch 5.11 lakh crores. Maharashtra's annual growth rate during the period was 7.5% per annum, taking the state's total manufacturing GVA to rupees 4.34 lakh crore in financial year 20. It continues to lead as the nation's biggest services hub. The worst performance among states, which were already among the top 10 manufacturing ones during the period, were Rajasthan, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh, with the average annual growth rates of 3.8%, 5.5%, and 6.9% respectively. GVA is essentially GDP minus net product taxes and reflects growth in supply of goods and services. Next up, we have Tel Aviv ranked world's priciest city. Tel Aviv is the world's most expensive city to live in, according to a ranking compiled by the Economist Intelligence Unit. The Israeli city climbed 5 rungs compared to 2020 report, which had Paris, Hong Kong, and Zurich tie for first place. In the 2021 report, Paris and Singapore came joint second, followed by Zurich and Hong Kong. New York came in sixth, and Geneva took the seventh place. Tel Aviv has climbed the rankings due to the strength of Israeli shekel against the dollar, as well as increases in transport and grocery prices. So, this was all for the news in Flash today. We hope you liked the session. For getting notified about further sessions, click the subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Thank you.